Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can do cross-platform play in Rocket League between Xbox and PS4. There's actually two ways to do this. One way is by creating a private match using a name and password, and the other way is by adding your friend on PS4 as a friend using Rocket League. So for both of these ways, you first have to go to Options, Gameplay, and then make sure cross-platform play is enabled. Without this, you can't play between Xbox and PS4 or any other device for that matter. Once this is enabled, you can move on and go to Play, Private Match, and Create Private Match. There you can just choose all the settings you want. I'm just going to do a Rumble in Salty Shores. It doesn't matter, you can choose anything you want, any mutators, all of that. And then finally you just choose name and password in Joinable By, and then you just create your own name and password, which you can share with your friend. Create the match. And it's gonna make the match, and then you're gonna join in. Once you join in, you just have to tell your PS4 friend to join. Also, a huge shout out to the Barkilla Show for making this video possible by making all the PlayStation clips. You guys can go check out his channel using the info card in the top right or using the links in description. Moving on. On the PlayStation, what you're gonna need to do is just press play, join private match, and then you just type the name and password that your friend from Xbox or PlayStation, whichever gave you, to join the exact same game. And once you join, it should be the same game that I created, Salty Shores Rumble, and the same two teams. And as you can see, there's a notification saying that I joined. And now both of us, Xbox and PlayStation, are in the same game, playing Rocket League cross-platform. So this is one method which involves both of you creating a private match and joining it using a name and password. There's a different method which involves both of you joining the same party. And this method allows you both to play multiplayer together. So I'm going to show you how to join the same party right now. To join the same party, what you're going to need to do is press RT or R2 to open the Friends tab. Then tab over to Rocket ID Friends and click Add Friend by Rocket ID. Your Rocket ID is that thing under your gamer tag, which is usually your gamer tag followed by 4 random numbers. You have to ask your friend for their Rocket ID, which would be under their gamer tag, and put that in this typing field. Once you typed it in, their name should show up, and once it shows up, you just press OK to add them, and the invite has been sent. So what your friend has to do is to receive the invite, and then press RT or R2 on their own device, tab all the way to notifications, click on it and press accept. Now you both are friends, and now you both can join each other's parties and play together. So now I can see that the friend request has been accepted, and all I'll have to do is click on their name, and then click on invite to party. Once you invite them, the party invitation will show up for them. They just have to go back to the notifications, click on your name and click on accept, and now you both are in the same party. So from here, I'm just going to show you a quick online match to show you guys that it works. So just going 2v2 doubles, find match, and now it's going to join the match. There you go, you're now playing Rocket League cross-platform between Xbox and PlayStation. If you guys liked this video and found it helpful, please be sure to leave a like, it really helps out. Also, be sure to check out the Barkilla Show if you want more PlayStation 4 tutorials and gameplay. Links in description. And that's it, I'll see you guys in the next video.